You know what time it is? Alrighty, it's bug time. Day 25, Zombie Soldier Beetles, or rather goldenrod soldier beetles that have recently died in a very specific way, but we'll come back to that. First of all, let's talk about the basics. They are prevalent throughout North America and are mostly seen pollinating flowers in late summer. As their name suggests, their favourite flower are goldenrods, which they are perfectly suited for camouflaging into. And while they do enjoy these flowers, they also pollinate 180 other flowers, and as well as this, they are an effective pest control because they enjoy eating aphids in their adult form. They also have an adapted mandible that's kind of like a tongue structure that helps them sort of lap up nectar, which is just really cute. But all good things come to an end. It has been observed that these bugs will sometimes die tightly gripped to a plant with their mandibles hanging off them like a bizarre decoration. And then the next day, as the sun brightens the sky, their wings spread open, revealing their fuzzy and now distended abdomen. Standby bug time! It's just become fungi time. So this beetle has a fatal case of Arianopsis lamparidium. I'll put the name on the screen. And this fungi infects the goldenrod soldier, taking control of its cognitive functions while it's still alive. And that's kind of how they get their name, because essentially they die while being controlled by a fungi. So they will climb up a plant and then they'll do their death grip where they grab their mandibles to a leaf and hang off the plant, and then as the sun rises the next day they spread their wings wide open. And it's thought that this is because A, allows the spores to get sort of transported through air, but also because when their wings are open, they're quite a social beetle, and so other beetles will come and land near it and potentially try and mate with it, which will further spread the infection. And if, in some cases, the beetle gets dislodged in this process, it will simply fall to the floor, and you guessed it, it will spread the spores on the soil instead. Yeah. Fungi are so cool. Bugs and fungi? What an amazing combination, but unfortunate for the goldenrods. For those of you who are wondering, based on samples, it's thought that about 20% of the population is infected at any given time. Anyway, I think this painting came out really cute. For the spores, I decided to do little whimsical stars, which is a little cuter way of representing fungi. Anyway, this will be up for sale on my Etsy page. Thanks for watching, I hope you learned something, and tomorrow we're going to be looking at another pest.